Of the inaugural ceremony, it's my privilege to invite our distinguished dignitaries to their places on the dais. May I first respectfully invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Thiru Mathan, Honorable Minister for MSME, Nagarajan, Co-Chairman, FICCI, Thiru, welcome sir. Director and HOO, MSME Development and Felicitation Office. Sir. Thank you, Director Sir, for proceed with the felicitation ceremony. It is our privilege and honor to felicitate our distinguished Honorable Chief Guest, Thiru Mathan, Honorable Minister for MSME, Government of Tamil Nadu. I request Devakumar, Sir, President CAA Coimbatore MSME, to do the felicitation. A huge round of Joint Director and HOO, MSME Development and Facilitation Office. Sir, may I request you to kindly come forward. May I request the MIDAAS team to present the shawl and memento. To give a huge round of applause. Come forward. May I request the MIDAAS Touch team to present the shawl and memento. I request everyone to show a warm welcome and give a huge round of applause.
Commerce, and on behalf of the organizers who happens to be our very long-term member of our chamber, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for this wonderful exhibition of Lead of the Hour. It was a honorable meeting with honorable dignitaries on the dais, respected exhibitors, technology providers, logistics professionals and distinguished guests. A very warm good morning to everyone. Immense pleasure to be here at the inauguration of WAREMAT 2026, the warehousing and the material handling expo at Chennai Trade Center Hall 1. Today we are witnessing not simply the opening of an exhibition, but by coming together of an industry that is fundamental to the future of Tamil Nadu. Warehousing is no longer just about storing goods. Material handling is no longer just about moving goods. Today, they are about the technology, speed, efficiency, and automation and competitiveness. Tamil Nadu is a powerhouse of manufacturing, automobile engineering, electronic, logistics, and MSME industry.